community. Anong masasabi niyo sa labanan? Final na.
Very exciting.
Na?
Exciting.
Very exciting?
Yes.
Oh, yun. Nice comment.
It's a fair game.
Ha?
It's
What?
a fair games.
Wow.
Silang
So nice.
Dapat
Sport lang because it's a sport fest, so
Okay.
sport lang. ang
Thank you.
bawat-
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Maganda yung laro. Maganda.
Final na ba? Final?
Walang talo, lahat panalo.
Ah, Angel.
Magagaling silang lahat.
Wow.
Dapat walang talo.
Pwede na panlaban sa Barcelona. Sa Ambassador Cup. Oh, marami ng pagpipilian, no?
Marami ng pagpipilian. Oh. Nakita nyo kung ano yung laro nila. Ha? Oh.
PTVA on the go, laging kasama mo. Balita, kwento at events, saan man tayo tumakbo. Mabilis, malinaw, sigurado. Pinoy TV and Dora on the go.
Shoutout ka muna. Shoutout ka muna.
Shout out to Kilan. Final. Magcha-champion ng Kilan.
Battle for the championship between Hooper and Bella. Jersey number 7 dribbling the ball. Rebound by jersey number 5 of Bella. Jersey number 8, easy 2 points. Pinakamagaling ng Tilang, jersey number 8. Number 16, pass to number 16. Number 7, easy 2 points of Hooper. Deadlock up to number 8, pass to number 9. Number 9, 3 points by number 9. 5-2, Pilar. Number 44, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 13. Number 13 to number 16. Pass to number 44. Number 16. Tumira ng 3. Big lang 5. Seconds violation by referee Sakani. 44, dribbling the ball. Pastor Yal. Yal, tumira ng 3. Malakas. Rebound by number 5 of Telan. Number 8. Number 7, foul. Number 13. Giving the ball. Pass to number 44. Number 5 will got the ball. Telan. Number 13, we got the ball. Pass to Yal. Yal to winning the ball. Pass to Yal. Number 8, Isip Kopon. Yal, dribbling the ball. Number 5, Isip Kopon.
Teamwork talaga tong 12 tsaka ano. 5. Sige, lalaro na sa atin daw eh. Ambassador.
Sana nga para may pag-asa.
Oh, at least may center.
Nice!
Number 8. Large time out, Hooper.
PTVA on the go, laging kasama mo. Balita, kwento at events, saan man tayo dumako. Mabilis, malinaw, sigurado. Pinoy TV and Dora
Patalastas muna ng
on the go.
merienda.
Si Dennis daw po, di ba?
Hey. Thank you po.
Ano gusto niyo, juice o ano? Nagkikiwa ka ba pa mo? We need us. Ganyan ka din, papain. Ready? Mas. Ito pa na.
Patalastas muna guys.
Resume the game.
Oh, ayun oh, yun. Ayun oh.
Agua, ¿quieres
May.
agua?
Tubig na lang po. Oh guys, nag-enjoy ka na nanood, may patubig ka pa tsaka tinapay. Thank you GIL.
Using the ball to the wall.
The pink one? No, dito na.
Pass to number 5.
Uy!
Number 13. Jersey number 7, Isip Kopon. Number 44. Mark Gonzalez,
Si Mark
Isip
na lang.
Kopon. Bilang. Gonzalez, Isip Kopon.
Tatlo na ang sunod-sunod ni Mark ah. MVP na naman to.
Sintobox by Jordan.
Pini points lang.
Jersey number 4, 3 points. 2010 bilang.
Walang foul.
Foul. Substitution break. Remaining time 3:16. Is 2 points by Sandor. Number 3 points.
Nakakadalawa ka na kari ah.
Score 13-24 bilang.
Manalo matalo ba? Panalo ng piran yan. Pag natalo, super. Hindi kanina sabi manalo.
Pushing. Mga referee, wala ka doon. Hey!
Last 2 minutes.
Nice! Hey!
Substitution break. So.
Dirty play yung na.
Let's go, Justin!
Viva Justin!
Let's go, Silan! Ano ba yan? Good! 26! Score! Dapat 26 yung score. Di na palitan yung score. Di na palitan yung score.
33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. 19 seconds.
Nabidyohan natin yun.
17 seconds.
Galaw kasi ni Justin. Ayun.
ko ma-score. Pwede na ipan natin. Pwede na ipan natin.
Young point.
Technically, di ba 1 point lang dapat? 3 points na siya.
Break, break, kunyari ay. One shot plus 4 position. Over ball.
1 second.
18-26. Bilang.
Sino Jane 9 pa? Ocho. Jane 9 ka din. Asawa ni Sherry. Oh, players.
Over ball. Over, over. Over ball, over.
Bila na lang Pepping.
Foul, jersey number 4. Carter. Pass na number 4. Number 4.
Right ba yan yun?
Hmm.
Goal! Let's go, Dylan! Pass pa!
Very good, Justin.
21,
Nakaka-2 points ka
27.
lang.
Bilang.
Justin!
I love you, Justin! Hey! Hey!
Foul, jersey number 4. ball.
Pagpigam.
I think I changed for it. Abang yung pat na lang. Yes, good! Defense!
Same ball.
Baba! Pwede yan! Nice!
Nice pass.
Charge time out. Hook
Okay,
ball.
pasang. Pasang.
Parang siya bigyan assist eh.
Score 21-29.
That's when you tapas break. Nataklukan.
Sunny ball going to ball. Pass to number 4. Pass to number Jordan. And this is the balls. 21.
Nice, Dennis!
21, Pilar.
Approach, approach.
Nice!
Os Paul rep. Jersey number 4, Pelan Paul. Backward elevation.
Nice! Ah! Ah! 3 points pa na eh! Let's go, Tingnan! Asawa niyo yun!
Gonzales, jersey number 4.
Asawa ni Charis.
Pwede nga!
Order! Nice! 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 Baba!
Open ball, open ball. Sector Sanpoy.
Di na naglaro si Jeric. Di na naglaro si Jeric. Ano na? Injury na?
Sundoy.
I love you, Justin! Justin! TJ, i-improve na si Justin maglaro. Asawa niya yun!
Relax. Ang pasa lang ko madijay. Pasa dijay kanya nakasip. Sakit mo kami. ano.
Justin, tira! Wow! Sige na, boy! Yeah! I love you, Justin!
Ang using ang Houston 3 boys. Dagang by using 2 points, using number 10. 1 minute 22 seconds. Champion, Team Pilam, seconds player for
PTVA on the go, laging kasama mo. Balita at kwento at events, saan man tayo dumako. Mabilis,
Mr. Alex Lee,
sigurado.
Alam na,
Pinoy
finish na!
TV and Dora on the go.
In the heart of Andorra, we shine so bright. Pinoy TV brings the stars to your night. From the mountains to the sea so wide, feel the Pinoy pride in every stride. Pinoy TV Andorra, it's where we belong. Feel the rhythm of home in every song, bringing stories that make you feel alive. Together we thrive, we laugh, we strive, where cultures meet and dreams take flight. A tapestry of joy that feels so right, bringing warmth to the coldest days. Pinoy TV lights up your way. Pinoy TV Andorra, it's where we belong. Feel the rhythm of home in every song, bringing stories that make you feel alive. Together we thrive, we laugh, we strive. Where cultures meet and dreams take flight, a tapestry of joy that feels so right, bringing warmth to the coldest days.
Thank you, DIL, for inviting Phil up to attend the very special sports fest. And I will like to congratulate you. And thank you very much for having us here.
Thank you po, Sister Telma. So may I call on po lahat po ng players. Makapunta po kayo in the middle. So once again po, in behalf of the whole Jesus is Lord Church, Andorra, maraming salamat po sa inyo pong lahat for supporting the very first Jaya Olympic of Jaya Andorra. Magkita-kita po tayo ulit next year, God willing, sa ating pong susunod na sports fest. At iniimbitahan ko po kayo na maka-attend every Saturday and Sunday sa gawain po ng Lord sa church. Kaya naman, dumako na po tayo sa awarding ng lahat ng players, sa lahat po ng mga players. May I invite everyone na pumangit na po for the awarding.